What if I told you there's a place on Earth where gravity feels broken, where objects don't fall the way they should, where satellites slightly shift as they pass overhead, and where the planet itself feels lighter? No, this isn't a deleted scene from Inception. And no, you haven't entered the Matrix. This place is very real. And it's been puzzling scientists for decades. Because in this mysterious corner of our planet, gravity isn't playing by the rules. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why that matters more than you think. Let's take a trip to Hudson Bay, Canada. Thousands of miles of serene lakes, icy tundra, and something invisible, something off. In this region, gravity is, measurably, weaker than anywhere else on Earth. Not just feels weaker, it is. In the early 2000s, satellites orbiting Earth began detecting this anomaly. Their instruments, built to track gravity's subtle shifts, noticed something strange. As they passed over Hudson Bay, their readings dropped. That triggered a global question. How can gravity, one of the universe's most fundamental forces, fluctuate? If gravity isn't constant, what else isn't? To understand why, we have to go deep into Earth's past, back 20,000 years to the last ice age. At that time, a massive glacier, over 2 miles thick, sat on top of what is now Hudson Bay. The weight of this frozen giant pressed down on Earth's crust, literally crushing it. Imagine pressing your thumb into a sponge. When you let go, it slowly rises. Earth does the same thing, only on a geological timescale. When the ice melted, the land began to rebound. It's still doing that today. But here's the twist. That glacial compression not only deformed the crust, it also pulled mantle material away from the region. Less dense mass nourished less gravitational pull. So when you walk across Hudson Bay, you're standing on a surface still healing from an ancient wound. And gravity? It's still catching up. Now, you might be thinking, okay, cool, weird gravity, so what? But here's where it gets urgent. Studying gravity anomalies isn't just about science fiction. It's how we detect tectonic activity, track sea level rise, and monitor climate change. In fact, satellites like GRACE, the same ones that discovered this, are now used to detect melting ice caps, underground water loss, and shifting tectonic plates. Earth's gravity field is like a health report card. And Hudson Bay? It was just the first symptom. There are other places where gravity's changing. Faster, stronger. Right beneath our feet. What if Earth's most silent force is trying to tell us something? So, the next time you drop your phone and gravity feels normal, remember, it's only normal here. Elsewhere on this planet, gravity pulls differently because Earth, like us, carries scars from its past. Some visible, others hidden deep beneath the surface. And if gravity, the very force that anchors us, can shift, what else do we blindly trust that could be changing underneath us? In our next episode, we'll explore a place where gravity doesn't just weaken, it appears to reverse. And scientists still aren't sure if it's a trick of the land